Hey all, nice to see everyone again. I'm Professor RVD and welcome to my channel. Now I have started changing the look and feel of my videos. You will see more colors, you will see more animations, and I hope you will like it. You can very well give me your feedback in the comments of this particular video. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, you can very well subscribe that. You can see the subscribe button right down there, okay, so that you can easily subscribe the channel. Now let us go ahead with the placement interview questions on data structure. So move on with the question. In this video, we'll be looking at the question, checking whether the linked list contains loop or not, and method 1 for that. So we'll be having multiple methods. This is the first method we will be looking at. Now, the very first method for checking whether the linked list has a loop or not revolves around the use of hash table. Fine. So method 1 would be use of hash table. Now what we can do is whenever we create a node of the linked list dynamically, you know that we will be allocated some memory. So every node will have a unique address. So what the way we can use hash table is we can put that address on the hash table as soon as we create the node. Okay, so that's the basic idea of using the hash table. So in a linked list, the node is created dynamically and each node is allocated an unique address. We can use the hash table for storing the address of every visited node. So now the idea would be whenever we are going ahead with the next node, okay, we will retrieve the address of that node. We will first check whether that address is already available on the hash table or not. If that address is already available on the hash table, obviously that node was already visited and we can clearly see that there is a existence of a loop in the linked list. If the address of the current node is not found on the hash table, we can very well store that address on the hash table and we can move ahead. So that's in a very simple terms would be the method. So when we start visiting a node, first we need to search the address of that node in the hash table. One of the situation could be the address of the current node is found on the hash table, and that clearly indicates that this node was already visited, and obviously it means that there is a loop in the linked list. Now if this particular node, the current node that we are just now visited, the address of that node is not present on the hash table, then we'll simply store the address on a hash table and we will continue with the next node of the linked list. Now this can go on. As I already said, in between, if any node's address is already found, we got the loop. But suppose till the end of it, we reach to the end of the linked list and we haven't found any node's address already present on the hash table, then we can conclude that the current linked list does not contain any loop. Okay, so that's a simple method of using hash table for checking whether the given linked list has a loop or not. Okay, keep the addresses on hash table so that if you found that any node which is you're currently visiting is already visited as the address is there on the hash table, we can detect the loop. Fine, so that was the first method for finding or checking whether the particular linked list has got a loop or not. In the further videos, we'll come up with other methods as well. Thank you, keep watching and keep liking my videos. Thank you.